Okay, here's the front deck part. And as you can see, again, really bad about missing spots. And he got like that, but not those. Odd. And I don't know, maybe that's just fade, but it doesn't look like fade. Like right there, doesn't look like fade. And then on these side things, kind of painted those. But what you can see there, obviously you didn't. But then you look here, those aren't painted on the side. Here's the rest of the walkway here. It's all the same, but you can see there. And then like half-ass painted. But nah, that's just water. I don't know what that's from. Dogs, rain. And so that's what that looks like. None of these are painted.